Good morning. It's Saturday 13th, 2025, and you're watching the Blanco Lario channel. Wait a minute, I'm not Juan Brown. Must be really tired. All right, let's try that again. Good morning. It's Saturday, September 13th, 2025, and you're watching the Open Source GA channel, where I take you open source style through my thoughts and my activities. Now, I didn't get much sleep last night, which is probably why I'm so tired of introducing myself as someone that I'm not. But let me tell you why I'm so tired. It's because I was thinking about some of my favorite people last night. AMP mechanics. Some of you call them AMEs, some of you call them engineers, but they're the people that fix our airplanes. And this was all sparked because my friend Mark of the One Dull Geek channel has been asking me if I'm as enthusiastic about becoming an instrument-rated pilot as I am about becoming an AMP sometime in the near future. If you've watched any of the videos, you will know that I've done enough work on airplanes over the past 10 years to qualify to go do my A&P written exams and get the license here pretty soon. I have to do some paperwork and gather some more information before I go and do that. But then it got me thinking, I haven't actually dedicated a video to the men and women who take care of our 60-year-old airplanes, crawl on their back, hurt their knuckles, twist in ways that pretzels can only appreciate. And I wanted to stop today and do exactly that. Now, if you are an AMP, know that this channel has a special place in its heart for you and the things that you do for us to keep us flying. If you're thinking about or studying to become an AMP, congratulations, and please keep on going. Quite frankly, we need you. We can't do the stuff that we do with airplanes without people like you. I can't go see my family in my airplane, I can't put a smile on my face, and I can't give you content if these airplanes aren't legally out there flying. Now, one of these days we're going to talk about Mosaic and the changes that are coming to small airplanes, light airplanes that fall under a certain speed category. And that's going to be a great day because a lot of you will realize that one of the biggest costs in airplane ownership is maintenance. And if you go ahead and buy a modern day airplane, I'm talking 2026 manufacturer year and forward, there's a good chance you might be able to take a course that allows you to maintain your own airplane. But until then, and if you have an airplane that's really old, you'll be relying on an AME, an ANP, an IA, a DER, an engineer, someone to help you maintain your airplane. And today, before I go out and drink several beverages watching football, college football, OU plays here in like 1 hour, Georgia plays later this afternoon. Before this day gets away from me and I do less airplane stuff, I'm going to stop right now, acknowledge you, the great folks who are doing all this work, and encourage you to keep on going. Before I end this video, I'm going to ask you to do one thing and one thing only. Well, you can do whatever you want. This is a free country. Go ahead down in the comments and leave a story or leave a name or leave a post about an AMP that has worked with you to solve a problem or has worked on your airplane to keep it flying or has gone above and beyond to ensure that the partnership that you form with them and the trust that they give to you has been all worth it in the grand scheme of enjoying general aviation. Let's talk about our AMPs. Let's boost up our AMPs. Let's help our AMP students study and get to where they need to be. Because again, we will not be doing this without them. Let's lift them up. The other thing I'm going to do here is if you do leave a good story or a good comment down below, I'm going to message you or pick you within 1 week. Let's do next Saturday. Well, I'll be flying next Saturday. I'll be on an airplane. Next Sunday, I'm going to post a post here on Facebook. Sorry, this is not Facebook. I'm going to post a post on YouTube, and I'm going to say, you have just won an opportunity to give a thing to your AMP. It's either going to be an engraved wallet or a money holder or a book. I'm going to make it super special so that only that person has that exact design. Go ahead, lift up some AMPs, put them down in the comments, put them on blast in a positive way. Let's spread some positivity. And let me go back and take a quick nap before the rest of football unfolds today. All right, go do airplane stuff. We'll catch you later. It's Saturday, September 13th, 2025, and you're watching the Blanco Lario channel. Yeah. A branch just fell in my neighbor's yard from that tree. That was big, and if it had fallen on my car, that would have destroyed my car. All right, hang on. Let's try this again.